Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to use the summertime feature on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you should find and select the settings icon located at the upper part of the screen. As you can see from list of all settings, you can choose here clock. Let's tap clock. And from the clock view, you can select here the summertime, but as you can see right now the summertime is grayed off. If you would like to use the summertime, you need to change the clock mode to the time zone, and now you can use disable or enable the summertime. But if you are using the automatic mode of your clock, time zone will be active if you are in the geographic position that are using the summertime, so you don't need to be worried about the changing time in your summer. So basically, if you are using the auto mode, you don't need to use anything without the summertime. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.